everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited today because Lily Jade sent me one of their lifestyle bags and I am dying to open this box. Lily Jade is one of my favorite diaper bag brands ever, and now they don't just have diaper bags, they also have regular bags that you can use throughout the day for anything. Work, trips, you can even use them as diaper bags if you use an insert with them. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I have in here. I actually have their new Jennifer Tote. So I am dying to open this. Let's go get started. So I will be doing an on the body and a packing video for this bag as well after I get to use it for a little while, so I give you guys a little bit more of an idea of how well it packs for me. Try to be extra careful here. Okay, so here we go. Oh, and I also have some of their new packing cases in here too. They come in their own little dust bag. They seem to be good size. They're bigger than I thought they were, I can tell already. I am going to go ahead and unbox those first. Okay, let's start with those. And then I'll pick up the other box with the bag in it. Okay, so these you can actually pack your diaper bag with, or you can even just use them in your lifestyle bags for anything that you want, like makeup and all kinds of stuff. So, whoa, these are so nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the one that I have. I have the khaki set, and I love the khaki because you can use it with so many different colors. It looks great with either the red lining, khaki lining, and jade linings, so you can use it with any of the bags that Lily Jade makes. So, wow, these are really, really nice. Okay, here we go. Try and pull these out. So they have a clear window on the front so you can see everything that's inside. It's super high quality too. I really, really like these. How perfect are these for traveling, guys? I love this. And it even comes with a little strap. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the paper off. I love how well Lily Jade packages all of their bags. It makes sure that everything arrives to you in perfect condition. So it has a detachable strap. Like, if you didn't want to use this strap to actually tote around this, you could actually use it for your keys, which I might do because I really like the quality of the strap. It's really nice. It's so pretty, guys. Here, hopefully you guys can see that real well. It's really, really nice. The quality is amazing. So here's the medium-sized one, and then there's one more in the inside. So it's a set of 3 pouches, and they're all really good size. The first one is actually, if you guys can see, it's more like a clutch size. So I really like that. And then you have the medium one, which looks like it has a D-ring on this side too, so you can actually hook on this piece to any 3 of the pieces. Actually, they all have that. So isn't that nice? So great for traveling. I cannot wait to use these. And then you have the small one, which I think is super cute. I can see this one being used for makeup and stuff. Like, it's a great size. So isn't that nice? I love these. So those are their packing cases. Like I said, it does come in its own dust bag. So that's really great. Wow, those are so nice. Like, way nicer than I expected. So I'm super excited about those. Now, moving on to the Jennifer, because it's been a little while since I've done an unboxing for Lily Jade, and it's always so much fun to open these because they're so gorgeous. So here we go. Plus, this is my first lifestyle bag from them. I do have a couple of their diaper bags still, and I adore them. So here we go. As you can see, it comes in the dust bag again. Ooh, there's that gorgeous brandy color. Their brandy color is like a reddish brown, but it's so deep and rich, it's gorgeous. And then this particular bag, which I can't see it quite yet because they put the paper here just to protect it a little bit more. Like I said before, they do a great job of packaging their bags so that they arrive perfect. So, man, this color is so pretty, and the leather smells amazing as usual. So here we go. If you guys are new to Lily Jade, they have so many bags that are convertible, which is one of my favorite things because I love when you can wear a bag more than one way, it just makes them so versatile. So this bag you can actually wear 4 different ways. You can wear it with the tote straps, which are super nice. I love the drop length on these. You can also wear this bag over the shoulder with the messenger strap that comes with it, as well as crossbody. And then you can also use it as a backpack. So you have the backpack D-rings on the back here in 3 places. So I will show you guys what that looks like in another video. So let's have a look at this. The size of this is bigger than I expected, but I really like it. Like, I can see how this would be so amazing for work and travel. Like, it's so nice. And I love how streamlined it is. I'm gonna go ahead and peek on the inside because they have the most gorgeous jade lining ever. Oh, it's so pretty. This pocket is huge. This pocket is great. Look at that. It's big, like it's all the way across here and then as far down as you guys can see on my wrist there. That's how deep it is. So that's a great pocket. You could put your wallet in there, your keys, like all kinds of stuff. This is really, really pretty. And then you have the gorgeous tassel here on the front, which is one of my favorite details about Lily Jade. This stuff doesn't want to come off. There we go. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that, guys. Hopefully you can see really well the color. And the bags are so buttery soft. They're made with full grain premium leather. Just, it's so nice. I love these. And they also have metal feet, which is super important to me because this will protect that gorgeous leather on the bottom of your bag from all the scuffs and things you can get if you place the bag on the ground. So that really helps protect your bag down there. Here's what the sides look like. More paper, hold on. There we go. So you see the D-rings here that you can hang your strap onto, which is on the inside of the bag. So I haven't actually looked on the inside yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and check that out real quick. Pull off some more paper. There we go. I cannot wait to review this, you guys, and take it out. Oh, I'm so excited. Here we go. Ooh, super smooth zipper on top. All right, so lots of paper. And as I mentioned, these bags don't actually come with the insert like the other diaper bags do, but you can totally buy those separately. And I will link everything down below for you guys. I'll link the insert, the packing cases, as well as this bag. You guys can head straight over to the website and check that stuff out. Oh man, it's got so much space. And I'm really tempted to buy one of their inserts. Actually, I can use one from one of my other bags. Awesome, that's perfect. Okay, so that is what you have going on the inside of the Jennifer. It's a nice empty space in there. You can just put whatever you want in there. You can put in lunch boxes. If you're doing this as a diaper bag, plenty of space for everything you need. Plenty of space for jackets and things for winter time and all that. And also, if you are using the insert, you just place the insert in there and it's easily being used as a diaper bag now. So you have a larger pocket here, and then you have a tech pocket, and these are also trimmed in that beautiful brandy leather. So pretty. And then you have another leather trimmed pocket here with a zipper. That's a really great pocket too. And then you have your strap here. This is the one that you can use as a crossbody strap, backpack strap, and over the shoulder. And these are just great. I always keep them in my bag if I'm not using them as a backpack or whatever. It's always good to have them on hand. So that is the Jennifer, you guys. It's so pretty. Let me know down in the comments below if you want to see this packed as a diaper bag, or do you want to see it packed as a lifestyle type bag? Because this can totally work for like work and things. Like I can fit a laptop in here, no problem. It's the perfect size for that type of thing. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe while you're here. Keep an eye out for my review and on the body video coming soon. Thanks for watching.